With every breath I'm closer to you. When the stars meet the sea, I feel you here with me. In the quiet of the night, your love set me free. I hold the words you said close to my heart. It should be the gentle reminder we're never far apart. When with every glance, every smile you gave, it's how I'm learning how to live. With every breath I'm falling deeper. Through the darkness your light shines clearer. You're the song that my heart sings so through. With every breath I come closer to you. You're the warmth in the morning air, the quiet comfort when no one there. In the spaces between us I still feel whole, as if your love was meant to fill my soul. And with every touch, every soft word spoken, it means the places in me that were broken. Every breath I'm falling deeper. Through the darkness your light grows clearer. You're the melody that guides me through. With every breath I come closer to you. Time may change, but my heart won't fade. In each moment a promise made. You're the dream I hold, the love I know, the whisper in me that won't let go. With every breath I'm falling deeper. Through the silence your voice sings sweeter.